Once upon a time, in a flourishing kingdom, there lived a wise and benevolent king named Alaric. King Alaric had 4 sons, Prince Thorin, Prince Cedric, Prince Alistair, and Prince Darion. Each prince was unique in his talents and ambitions, but all shared a deep love for their father and their homeland. Prince Thorin, the eldest, was a fierce warrior. He spent his days training with the knights and leading the kingdom's armies. His prowess in battle was unmatched, and he was known throughout the land as a formidable protector. Prince Cedric, the second son, was a master of diplomacy. He had a silver tongue and could charm even the most hardened adversaries. Cedric's negotiations had brought peace and prosperity to the kingdom, and he was often sent on diplomatic missions to neighboring lands. Prince Alistair, the third son, was a scholar. His mind was sharp, and he was always found with his nose buried in ancient tomes and scrolls. Alistair's knowledge of history, science, and magic was unparalleled, and he served as his father's chief advisor on matters of state. Prince Darion, the youngest, had a heart full of adventure. He loved exploring the wilds of the kingdom and beyond, often returning with tales of distant lands and strange creatures. Darion's wanderlust had led him to discover new territories and bring back valuable resources for the kingdom. One day, King Alaric called his sons to his chambers. His health had been declining, and he knew it was time to discuss the future of the kingdom. The 4 princes gathered around their father, each concerned for his well-being. "My sons," King Alaric began, "the time has come for me to step down and for one of you to take my place as king. Each of you has shown great strength in your own way, and I am proud of all of you. But the kingdom needs a ruler who embodies not just strength, but wisdom, compassion, and unity." The princes looked at one another, each contemplating the responsibility that lay ahead. They knew that the decision would not be easy, but they were determined to honor their father's wishes. Prince Thorin was the first to speak. "Father, I have always strived to protect our kingdom from harm. I will continue to lead our armies and defend our people with all my might." Prince Cedric followed. "Father, my diplomacy has brought peace to our lands. I will work tirelessly to maintain and strengthen our alliances." Prince Alistair stepped forward. "Father, my knowledge can guide us through the challenges we face. I will use my wisdom to ensure the prosperity of our people." Finally, Prince Darion spoke. "Father, my adventures have brought new opportunities to our kingdom. I will continue to explore and bring back the wealth of the world to our homeland." King Alaric smiled at his sons, pride filling his heart. "Each of you brings something valuable to our kingdom, but it is not one single quality that makes a great king, it is the combination of all. Therefore, I propose that you rule together, as a council of brothers. United, you can lead the kingdom to a future of unparalleled strength and harmony." The princes agreed, understanding the wisdom in their father's words. Together, they vowed to rule the kingdom with the strength of Thorin, the diplomacy of Cedric, the wisdom of Alistair, and the adventurous spirit of Darion. Under their joint leadership, the kingdom flourished, and King Alaric spent his remaining days in peace, knowing that his legacy was in capable hands.